Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Bhagya Ghosh, your English teacher, and in this channel we are going to see how we are going to start our reading comprehension, and we are going to see certain basics for your reading comprehension that will help you in your RCs for your exams. It can be MBA entrance exams like CAT, ZAT, MHCET and all these exams. Plus it will also help you for other exams wheresoever reading comprehension is an important part. So, firstly, what is there in the basics? I'm not going to make you practice an RC in this passage, but I'm going to provide you basically those tips that will help you out to do your RCs correct. So, the very first tip, right? And this tip will be practical basically. The very first tip will be to know the type of question. That is something the students miss, right? This is the concept that you don't understand nicely, and then you don't know what is the question about. Know the types of question is something which has to be known. Second thing that I will teach you here is, after knowing the types of question, of course, how to approach, because let me tell you what, there are three types of questions and it has three different approaches to solve. Because you need a different approach for each type of question. And the next part is a very important part that all people talk about, is how to read nicely. So the reading problem is a separate different domain. In that case, your reading skills need to be developed. Basically, that's why I call that there are two types of skills: reading skills and the solving skills. Chalo, सबसे पहले तो in this topic, in this part of the reading comprehension series, I will keep it as the part 1. ठीक है? So in this part 1, let us just talk about the types of questions. Okay, I will keep the video short so that you don't feel a problem by going through all the video. It won't be a burden for you to do all the videos all together, but yes, you can do small videos, right? And then you can just understand it. There are three types of questions: factual questions. Then there are two more types of question, that is author centric question, and the next one is the reader centric question. Guys, now since these are the three types of questions, it is very important to know that author centric question and reader centric question, these are critical. These are called the critical questions, and this factual question is that question. Basically, factual question is not a critical question. Its answers are directly available in the passage, basically available in the RC. So this will consist of questions like story based question, right? Story based, passage based, है ना? And this will also contain questions like which is true, which is false, which can be validated from the passage. These kind of questions are factual, which are direct in nature. The other questions are critical. Critical are basically indirect questions. Means even if we once again go back to the passage, we will not find the answer of these questions. Let me tell you that in an RC, 1/3 question are only factual questions. Rest of the 2/3 questions are nothing but critical. And CAT is day by day upgrading itself to critical. So author-centric question and reader-centric question has a difference in it. Author-centric question means we have to understand author's point of view. We have to understand author's point of view and answer accordingly. Reader-centric question में we have to understand the facts. So we have to basically do the facts and answer on the basis of it. On the basis of facts, we need to answer. So that's basically a tip. And here, in an author-centric question, when you understand the author's point of view, you answer on the basis of course, author's view. Author's view. You will find questions like this. Chalo, let's go to a next page. Now you will say what it is exactly, how it will exactly be. So imagine this, that let us say this box. Imagine a box. Now this box is your reading comprehension. A CAT RC typically consists of 4 to 5 paragraphs. Let us say this is an RC where it is having 4 paragraphs, right? Now in any RC, now let us imagine that you are in school, okay, and you are told to select a topic and write an essay. So select a topic and write essay. When it is given to you in a school, जब आपको स्कूल में ऐसे लिखने दिया जाता है, आपको बोलते हो कि एक टॉपिक उठाओ, उसमें ऐसे लिखो, क्या करते हो आप सबसे पहले उसका आप एक टाइटल डालते हो अपने हिसाब से. देन आपका प्लान ये होता है कि फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में आप इंट्रोड्यूस करोगे अपने टॉपिक को, राइट. उसमें आपके सारे आइडियाज होंगे कि आप किस टाइप की बातें करने वाले हो. देन यू यूज द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ्स टू डिस्क्राइब इट. लेटेस्ट से आप जो भी आपने डेफिनेशन बताया, आपने पूरा उसको डिफाइन किया, उसके प्रोज डिस्कस किए, कॉन्स डिस्कस किए, आपने कोई प्रॉब्लम डिस्कस की, उसका सॉल्यूशन डिस्कस किया, वॉट एवर इट इज देयर. एंड योर लास्ट पैराग्राफ इज कंक्लूजन. यही आप करते हो, आप ये करते हो, एंड इट बिकम्स एन एसे ऑफ यू. राइट. नाउ एक पंगा ये है कि अगर आपको इसी एसे में आपको मार्क्स ज़्यादा चाहिए, लेट अस से दिस इज अ 20 मार्क्स एसे, राइट. नाउ यू नो कि एंड देयर इज अ फिक्स वर्ड लिमिट, राइट. नाउ यू वांट टू गेट मोर मार्क्स, सो व्हाट डू यू डू? बताओ क्या करते हो? हम आरसी कैसे बनती है उसकी बात कर रहे हैं, इसीलिए हम ये स्कूल वाले एग्जाम्पल ले रहे हैं जो कि वेरी प्रैक्टिकल है. आप अपने ऐसे को मार्क्स बढ़ाने के लिए व्हाट यू डू इज यू विल इंसर्ट टू इंक्रीज योर मार्क्स. यू इंसर्ट व्हाट? यू इंसर्ट एग्जाम्पल्स. यू इलेबोरेट द थिंग्स. आप चीज़ों को अच्छे से इलेबोरेट करते हो. यू एक्सप्लेन थिंग्स एंड रिपीट. यू एक्सप्लेन इन अदर वर्ड्स, राइट. देन व्हाट यू डू टू मेक मोर, टू गेट मोर मार्क्स? You will enter data details, that is factual data. Enter factual data details, like for example you are inserting a code like or like you are inserting a data like as per census 2011 the population of India is this. So these are the factual data details that help you gain more marks. And what else you do? You insert quotations. What it is? Insert quotes like as per Mahatma Gandhi blah 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 blah, है ना, that is quote. Or you do what? You will insert third party data details, third party opinion, right? So whatever you are doing to make your RC logical, meaningful, explainable, and you want to get more marks, well, whatever you do, this is called as facts, right? So can I say when you write an essay is your opinion, essay, and you are the writer, so essay is writer's opinion, okay. And whatever the facts that you enter to make your essay look rich is the fact. So now if we see an RC, like the RC will be not only just author's opinion like the yellow lines, but it will also consist of facts in the form of example, repeating information, data, details like the black line. So what it is all about कि when you read an essay, try to identify that hey, this is a fact, and hey, this is what the author originally want to say. When you know a fact, when you know an author, now when you get a question which is fact based, look at the passage and get it. If you get a question which is asking you for inference वाले questions which will strengthen या फिर weaken the passage, sorry, these type of questions, okay, these needs the fact to answer. And wheresoever they will ask the tone of the RC, right, what according to author will strengthen, okay. So now it is having the keyword of author. It need the author's statement, author's opinion to answer. Getting my point? Maybe yes, maybe no. Well, I teach live at Unacademy Plus. I provide elaborated classes for it, right? Download the Unacademy Learning app, right? You can just download the Unacademy Learning app, right? And in the learning app, it's free. Download it, right? After downloading, the goal is selected to UPSC by default, so you change the goal to management entrance exam में जाओ, change the goal to CAT, right? Now you do what? If they are asking you for a free unlock plan, right? Then you enter this referral code. This is also going to be your free unlock plan, GHOSH 93. After unlocking, go to my profile, type my name, just find my name or type my name, Bhagyashree Ghosh. In that, you go to the tab special class. See if there is an upcoming special class scheduled, or you can see all the special class. Special class ऐसा दिखता है कि in the special class camp you will see 1, 2, 3 class like this, right? Either that will be an upcoming wala, it will, the time will be written, or it is already uploaded, so there will be a triangle button written just like this, and there will be a see all. When you click on the see all, not only the 3 special class, but I have taken, I think, hundreds of classes, free live classes there. You can see it's recording, and there will be ample of opportunities to learn everything in detail. Everything, practice, RCs, everything will be there. This session is there just for the basic, and I will bring more sessions like this to enlighten you, and we will practice also. We will practice some questions also. By the time, go to Unacademy, check all my classes, and if you like it, yes, just definitely dedicate a hat. And whenever you are willing to subscribe to Unacademy full paid plan, you can use again this code as your referral code, that will give you 10% discount on your Unacademy subscription. That you will see later on. First you do this thing, right? This will help. Thank you. Let's meet in the next video. And what will my next video will be on? My next video will be on the concept of fact, inference, judgment. I call it as pillar of VRC. Why? Okay, this is the pillars of VARC. If you don't know the pillars of VRC, then how will you do the VRC thing, right? How will you start VRC? I will teach you complete VRC in this channel. Don't worry, subscribe to it and check out the playlist of my English speaking course. Also do check the Word Power Made Easy playlist. Summary has been there. So there are many things coming up. Do subscribe this channel. It is going to be a super channel to help you out in your preparation. And do spread it to your friends, because the content here I am providing is all for free. Thank you.